We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We remove the back cover. We release the screws from the top of the device. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we remove the flex. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.